So many of you said that share last or previous year question paper. So here are the papers of paper 1, that is EM1. So it is 2020 paper, year 2020. So it is last year paper, and here this is the first question, attempt any 4. So you will be given MCQs. You have to attempt any 4 MCQs. Here you have 5 MCQs, right? You have 5 MCQs. So you have to attempt any 4. So in exam, just try to attend all the MCQs. So by mistake, if anyone is wrong, then you will get the full marks. So you can stop the video and just take screenshot of this. This was for 4 marks. MCQs are for 4 marks. Now moving to the question number 2. So question number 2, attempt any 3. So in this any 3, all are the diagrams and 2 are this definition type, right? So they have asked for 2 marks. Attempt any 3. So you have 5 options. You have to choose any 3 and solve them. So here all the symbols from the first chapter, symbols they have asked. Then here staircase wiring, we have already learned. PMMC instrument, that is permanent magnet moving coil instrument. Just you have to draw a diagram. There will be no any explanation on construction. There is nothing to write here. You have to just draw the diagram. State any 4 types of wires. We have already learned different types of wires. What is fuse and different types of fuse. So just collect all the previous papers. I mean to say, in class, in our college, we have taken Saturday test. So I have already chosen the questions which are repeatedly asked. So if you were not present in college to attend this test, then you can collect that paper from college. Now these are the questions for question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3. So this question number 3, same, you have to attempt any 3 for 2 marks. So you can pause and take screenshot. So we will just see. First question is from appliances, electrical appliances. We have already learned electric iron construction and working. So here they have asked only reason of this, why this is used. Okay, now SWG, from this chapter only this part is there, and this part is asked every time. State the use of thermostat and glass wool in electric geyser. Same, it is from electrical appliances, and that from electrical appliances they have just asked why it is used. Okay, same for this question. This question, not need to explain all working and construction of electric geyser. Just you have to answer this, why it is used. Then draw the diagrams. It is for 2 marks. Now question number 4. Attempt any 2. It is for 3 marks. So here we have already learned in wiring different types of wires. So just draw a diagram, give its working or whatever the construction is there and where it is used. Construction, we have already learned construction and working of electric iron. Now here from this they have asked why mica and asbestos is used in electric iron. Just give here why it is used. And now here what they have asked, explain construction and working of electric iron. So you have to draw a good, neat and labeled diagram of electric iron and give the construction and working. So here you have to explain everything. Define, we have already learned in illumination chapter. This definitions all you can screenshot it. Now question number 5. Attempt any 2. So it is asked for 3 marks. 1 is asked for 3 marks. Explain construction and working of HRC fuse. So this question is very important. It is asked repeatedly in every question paper. So just make sure that collect all the repeated questions from this and do that, because the same questions are repeated. Compare underground cable and overhead wiring system. We have already learned in our lectures. Properties of underground cable we have already learned, and state the methods of laying underground cable. Now here they have just asked state the method, so you have to write just that methods. No need to explain anything, just you have to write the properties and then explain the methods. Oh sorry, no, not need to explain the methods, just write the names. Now main question, that is question number 6. So in question number 6 we have to attempt any two, and this are for 6 marks. One question is for 6 marks and this one is for 6 marks and this one is for 6 marks. So here this is for 2 2 2. In B there are 3 parts. Okay, now here compare the different wiring systems in tabular form. So this, in your textbook there is a table, tabular form comparison is there of all the wiring system, that is cleat, casing, caping, conduct, everything that you have to compare or write that table here. Now here this all the questions, if you are solving this B question, then attempt all these 3 questions, sub questions. Okay, now see, state any 12 Indian electricity rules for general wiring work. So this question is asked in every paper. In every paper these 2 questions are asked. So just remember, do these questions perfectly. Okay, you have to do these 2 questions because they are asked in every paper. Now we will see another paper. It is of 2009. So this question I have asked in every paper. I have asked in our Saturday test in every paper. This question is also I have asked. So these are the MCQs. You can screenshot. This question also I have asked. You will get 6 questions, MCQ questions, and you have to attempt any 4. They are for 4 marks. Now here all the wiring, all the symbols and circuit diagrams you have to draw here. You can take screenshot. Question number 3, attempt any 3. So here also same question is repeated here also of this electric iron. Just take screenshot. So from wiring, VIR wire is also asked many times. Okay, just remember VIR wire is also asked many times. High pressure mercury vapor lamp is also asked many times. Okay, so just remember whatever the questions are repeated, you have to do the same. Now question number 5. As I told you, construction and working of HRC fuse. In every question paper this question is there. So just take the repeated questions and you can prepare for that. From fuse, this is the very important part. Define, it is everywhere asked. Question number 6, attempt any 2. These are for 6 marks. As I told you, this question is repeatedly asked. At least 12 general rules of wiring system. You have to do this question and compare different types of wiring in tabular form. You have to do these 2 questions. Describe construction of electric geyser with neat sketch. So for this question you have to draw the particular diagram of electric geyser and then explain the working and construction. So this is about 2009 paper. Now this is 2010. So these are the MCQs. You can take screenshot. Question number 2, attempt any 3. Name different types of fuses. It was also asked in one of the paper, PMMC instrument. Same questions are repeated, so just do the same questions. What are the advantages of fluorescent tube over incandescent lamp? We have already learnt in our lectures. What are different lighting schemes? You have to just write the different lighting schemes. Describe construction of immersion type water heater. No need to write working, just draw the diagram and whatever the construction is there, you have to explain that. Question number 4, any 2. Explain casing caping wiring system. If they will not ask the comparison, then they will ask in such type of questions. Classify underground cables according to voltage. I have asked this question many times in our Saturday test. HPMV high pressure mercury vapor lamp, same question is repeated. Write a note on automatic electric iron, same question is repeated. Now question number 6, this is for 6 marks. So they have asked in first paper, they have asked the separately, all the definitions were asked. Now here the question is mixed. Define utilization factor and depreciation factor. Give the various source of light by electricity. What are the different source of electricity they have asked, and what are the advantages of correct illumination? We have already seen this question in our lecture. Now what are different types of domestic wiring? Compare different wiring systems in tabular form. Same question is repeated in every question paper. So what are the 12 general rules for wiring related? So this question is also repeated many times. Now we saw 3 papers, in same 3 papers, same 2 questions were repeated. So you can get 12 out of 12 here if you do the questions perfectly. Do this tabular form perfect. Do this 12 Indian electricity rules perfect. Then you will get 12 marks here only. So you can take the screenshot.